Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So previously I did few videos regarding the fellowships and the stipends to the OBC category and to the SC/ST category and all these things. So after doing this video that I got a few comments that from MHRD or from government, where are we going to get any stipend for the general category candidates? So whatever the video I'm doing right now, in this video you can able to get some information regarding the fellowships or the stipends you are going to get for your research work or for your the PhD work only based upon the merit but not based upon the caste categories. Okay, so before going into the details and all, if you are not subscribed at the channel, so please do subscribe, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, then you are going to get all my videos and updates as immediate notifications to your mobiles, laptops and desktops. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so here I came up with some few agencies or government agencies which are going to provide the fellowships or stipends based upon the merit. So here, first of all, whoever the general category candidates or the other category candidates are there, if you apply for the PhD to any one university or any one college, they're going to conduct one written exam, and the institute or the college or university itself is going to provide some stipend. Either it might be the teaching assistant stipend, or it might be some institute fellowship. Okay, so apart from this institute fellowship, you are going to get the other stipends or fellowships from the government, that if you can able to qualify these exams what I mentioned here on this slide. So here if you qualified for the UGC NET JRF or CSIR NET JRF or ICMR NET JRF or ICAR NET JRF and DBT JRF. So apart from these JRFs, we are also having some other fellowships are also there to all the caste categories, so only based upon the merits. Okay, so right now in this video we are going to see the how much amount we are going to get as a fellowship or stipend from these agencies what I mentioned here in the slide, and for more agencies or the government agencies which are going to provide the stipends that we are going to see in the next video. So here the first thing is that the CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So from this one you are going to get the stipend as 31,000 rupees per month for the first 2 years, and in addition to this one, each and every year you are going to get the 20,000 rupees as a contingent grant. It is for the JRF, and after if you are after the 2 years you automatically converts into the SRF. So in the case of senior research fellowship, you are going to get 35,000 rupees per month, and it is for the 3 years you are going to get this amount. And apart from this one, the contingency grant you are going to get each and every year as a 20,000, like that. Okay, so it is a case of the CSIR NET JRF. And apart from this stipend and a tenure, in this web page you are going to get the each and every detail very clearly, that what is application procedure and the eligibility, age limit and the selection procedure, each and everything is given. That I will do a special video regarding this complete CSIR UGC NET, joint CSIR UGC NET. So right now in this video I am just sticking this video only to the fellowships and what are the stipends or fellowship giving agencies to the merit based candidates only, not depending upon the caste category. And while coming to the next one, it is the ICMR, that is nothing but Indian Council of Medical Research. So in this one you are going to get the stipend as 31,000 rupees per month, and the annual contingency grant is 20,000 rupees per annum. So this annual contingency will help you for writing the journal and attending the conferences and publishing your journal, so all these things. And here also the ICMR, the procedure for apply and education qualification, age limit, method of selection, everything is there. That I am going to do this details in the next video. And while coming to the next one, it is the ICAR fellowships, that is Indian Council for Agricultural Research. So here they mention ICAR will provide the fellowship for pursuing MTech also, and these are the amount, and for pursuing the PhD also. So these are the amounts they mentioned here. And for the different schemes also they are going to provide ICAR National Professor and ICAR National Fellowship, and research associates working in research schemes funded by ICAR. Okay, so different amounts are provided here under the ICAR. And while coming to the DBTJF, that is Department of Biotechnology, here the contingency grant of 30,000 rupees is given for each JRF or SRF in a financial year. So that is the contingency grant only. But while coming to the actual fellowship, you are going to get more than 35,000 rupees per month. Why? Because HRA will be added up to the JRF, and while coming to the SRF, you are going to get 28,000 rupees per month plus HRA. And coming to the UGC net, you are going to get 31,500 rupees per month plus HRA for the JRF for the 2 years of duration. And while coming to the senior research fellowship, you are going to get 35,000 rupees per month plus HRA will be added up to this one. So total, these are the different fellowships that government is going to provide to the candidates who qualify these exams, only based upon the merit but not based upon the caste categories. So the candidates who messaged me and who text me regarding that, are there any opportunities as if to get the stipend for the general category, means, so these are the huge opportunities are there. So please write this exam and qualify this one, then you are going to get stipend from the government agencies, that you can able to do your full-time research or the PhD work without any kind of financial problems. Okay, so for more details, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. So in front videos, I am going to come with a huge number of agencies or government agencies which are going to provide the stipends for all the caste categories. Thank you.